Welcome back, and time now for the business day. Some of Jamaica's finest business leaders were awarded today. Among them, businessman Keith Duncan. Mr. Duncan was conferred membership in the Order of Jamaica OJ, Jamaica's fourth highest award. Now, Mr. Duncan is the CEO of the JMMB Group. Also conferred with Jamaica's fourth highest award was Marlene Street Forrest. She's the former managing director of the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now, the former JSE chief presided over the transformation of the JSE into one of the world's top performing exchanges. Hotelier businessman Lee Issa was awarded the Order of Distinction Commander class. So too was businessman William Afood, the chairman of the Wisinka Group. Now Jamaica is better placed to access additional financial resources from its partners in the European Union. This after the Commission's president indicated that the EU has surpassed its €306 billion global gateway investment target. The funds are used for investments in infrastructure and digital innovation and can be accessed by nations like Jamaica. Jamaica's Minister of Digital Transformation, Audrey Marks, who joined leaders and investors at the 2025 Forum in Brussels, Belgium, explained that Jamaica's focus on digital transformation is to help build a more competitive economy that creates additional job opportunities for young people. Now, St. Anna's recorded its highest food establishment certification rate. Chief Public Health Inspector for the parish, Leroy Scott, says the parish achieved a remarkable 95% certification level for these businesses in the month of September alone. Now, Mr. Scott was speaking during the latest Municipal Corporation's monthly meeting.
And so we are very happy. But there is still room for improvement. There's still 5% of those establishments which are still uncertified. So we are working to even get closer to 100. As we continue to bring closer to the satisfaction of both our clients and ourselves, the return time for food handlers permit, we continue to reduce the turnaround time.
To news from the banking sector now, Sagicor says they've adjusted the ATM fees for transactions done by non-Sagicor clients at Sagicor ATMs. The bank says they've adjusted those fees due to increases by Multilink. The change took effect today and means those users will now pay $61.53 per transaction, up from $59.23. Sagicor Bank clients using Sagicor's ATMs will not be charged any new or additional fee. And that's the business news. International stories when we return.